You don't actually want the truth. You want comfort. Because the truth threatens the story you tell yourself. Here's the uncomfortable human truth. You are not as selfless, rational, or independent as you think. Your brain wasn't built for truth. It was built for survival. You don't argue to understand. You argue to win. You don't chase success for fulfillment. You chase it for status. You don't fear failure. You fear being seen as a failure. That sting you feel when someone criticizes you. That's not logic. That's your ancient survival wiring screaming. Don't get rejected. Rejection means danger. Most of your opinions, emotional decision, dressed up as intelligence. Most of your personality, adaptations to avoid abandonment. And here's the part that hits hardest. You perform versions of yourself, depending on who's watching. Different tone, different humor, different confidence. So who are you when no one's there? Silence makes you uncomfortable for a reason. It removes the performance. But here's the reward. The moment you catch yourself reacting, pause and ask, what am I protecting right now? Your ego, your image, your fear. That single question separates you from your programming. And most people will never be brave enough to ask it.